What's up, people? Good afternoon and namaste, everyone. It's day one. We have reached Haldwani. Unfortunately, couldn't start the video in Delhi because there's something wrong with the camera, but it's all sorted now. We won't be staying here for the night. We'll be heading off. We'll just have our lunch now, and we'll head off to this place called Loha Ghat, and we'll be staying there for the night. And then tomorrow we'll be heading off to Dharchula. So talking about this trip, we are heading off to this special place called Dharma Valley. Now, generally, people visit this place in the summer months, and post monsoon. But since we are damaged goods, we are heading to this place in the frigid conditions of December. There's going to be lots of black ice, snow. We've got ourselves custom-made snow chains, also known as Jugaad. It's going to be one hell of a journey, and there's going to be lots of falls, literally waterfalls and falls. So yeah, stick with us and enjoy the ride.
ये बाहर ही रखते हैं ना।
क्या है? रूम फ्रेशनर?
नहीं
सैनिटाइजर?
Good morning, everyone. It's day 2. It's 10 a.m. right now, and we managed to reach this place called Champawat last night at around 9 p.m. We left Haldwani at 4 p.m. and the roads till Champawat used to be really bad till about 2-3 years back, but now it's good. Except for a stretch from Sitarganj to Khatima, because it has some industrial area. There were a lot of heavy trucks plying on that route. So yeah, except for that stretch, the roads were pretty good. And last night we checked into this fairly decent hotel. It's called Hotel Green Leaf. Today we'll head towards Dharchula. On the way we'll stop at Pithoragarh and not so popular hill station known as Abort Mount. So we'll explore that hill station. So yes, let's continue with our journey. So we have arrived at Mount Abort. Sorry, Abort Mount. It's a quaint little hill station. Hardly few resorts here, and I'll show you the panoramic view of Panchachuli, and it's absolutely amazing. Gotta see it. One thing you have no control over when you're riding on the hills: road construction. देव कितना टाइम लगेगा?
1 घंटा बटर है यहाँ पे मस्त।
So as you could see, that work in progress ने हमारा at least 2 से 2.5 घंटे waste कर दिए. So we have decided to stay at पिथौरागढ़ tonight, and we'll go. लोहागढ़ तो पीछे हो गया.
नहीं, झूलागढ़ यहाँ से 32 किलोमीटर आगे, वो भी ईस्ट से धारचूला टाइप इंडिया नेपाल बॉर्डर।
आज पिथौरागढ़ रुकते हैं और कल फिर एक पिथौरागढ़ फोर्ट है पास में, तो सुबह वो
हाँ वो देख लेंगे। So as it is we had a buffer day in hand, तो सही है, आज रुक सकते हैं यहाँ पे। So अभी हम लोग आए हैं, कौन सा मंदिर है
ये? तो भी है, शिव का है, शिव का
शिव टेम्पल
आर्मी में।
So यहाँ पे देवेंद्र के फादर पोस्टेड थे लॉन्ग टाइम बैक, और इसकी चाइल्डहुड मेमोरीज थी, तो इसने बोला ये जगह आनी है, तो हम लोग इधर आ रखे हैं।
बचपन में ये पहाड़ ऐसे लगते थे जैसे एवरेस्ट है।
और इसको ये नदी लगती थी।
शिव की मूर्ति जब गायब हो गया।
Good morning, day 3. Last night we checked into this really nice hotel called Hotel Meghna, as you could see from the video. We got late today, it's 12, but it's okay, we only have to travel for 3 hours today. And we'll visit this Pithoragarh fort, which is close by, also known as Gorkha Killa. They say they've got a good view from there. So let's see what is there. And then we'll probably have lunch, and then on our way towards Dharchula. So just to tell you about Dharchula is this small little town which is right at the border of India and Nepal. So you can literally see Nepal. So the town is called Dharchula in Nepal also. So you can see the Nepal side of Dharchula across the Kali river. We'll show you Dharchula when we reach there around 4 o'clock. So yeah. So this fort was built by Gorkhas. They had invaded in 1789 and built this fort. This fort was built by Prithvi Gosai. So for all the UPSC aspirants, this is much needed information. बहुत ही मेहनती लोग हैं
गोरखा वाले।
हाँ, एक साल में इन्वाइट करके फोर्ट भी बना दिया।
ऐसा कहीं नहीं लिखा।
अब जो इन्फॉर्मेशन तुमने दी उस हिसाब से एक ही साल में इन्वेट हुआ है, एक ही साल में फोर्ट भी बन गया है। This is the view of Pithoragarh town.
ऐसी विषम परिस्थिति में आपद धर्म अपनाना होगा। कपाल नहीं तो कौसिक में ही भिक्षा ग्रहण करना होगा।
उत्तम स्वामी, अति उत्तम। उत्तम स्वामी, अति उत्तम।
So this was a cute little fort, just like our friend Milind there. This fort is situated at 1600 meters.
Yeah,
1650. Yeah. चला धारचूला चला।
लंच का यहीं करें उधर निकल के।
रास्ते में कर लेंगे।
जैसे जैसे क्लोज होते जाएंगे ये अपस्टेट आ जाएंगे, फिर ये तो तगड़ा भी मेरे को नहीं लग रहा आगे होगा।
जैसे जैसे क्लोज जाएंगे ना देखिए अपनी ठंड से।
वो तो सही बात।
सत्य वचन। और ये है काली नदी, जो बिल्कुल भी काली नहीं है।
वो नेपाल।
एंड हाँ कोर्स वो साइड नेपाल है। अभी हम लोग धारचूला से 30 किलोमीटर पीछे हैं।
हाँ
नहीं मैं